This is a knot that will never let you down when catching big fish. In this video, you will learn how to tie your hooks and swivels with the San Diego jam knot using both braided line and monofilament line. First, thread your line through the eye of your hook or swivel. Extend your line so that it is parallel. Thread your middle finger between the line as in the video. Secure the line and swivel. With the same hand, hold the line in the right place of the parallel line. With the other hand, extend the excess line end towards the swivel. Now, at the very end of the parallel point of the lines, secure the lines with your fingers. A ring should form between your fingers. Pay attention to this. Now wrap the excess line 7 turns around the swivel. When you have finished winding, pass the excess line end through the loop your finger is in. Then pass this end through the loop between your fingers. Holding the excess line end, pull the line slightly. Then wet the knot line. Now, holding the swivel and the main line, carefully tighten it. For a smooth tightening, you should also keep the excess line end taut. If there are gaps in the knot, pull this end to remove the gaps. Finally, cut off the excess line. San Diego jam knot that will not let you down in the fight against big fish is ready. Now let's watch how to tie a hook with a monofilament line using San Diego jam knot.